All right, guys, this video, let's do iteration. So basically, iteration is when you go over, uh, things one by one. So things to do that, the famous constructs or, syntax you can get to are these two statements, while and for. So we'll check this out in a little bit. The right-hand side, you can see the program. Uh, Basically, self-explanatory. But just to give you a quick rundown, so you have a while, you have a variable value 5. When that variable is more than 0, you do a set of things. This is what the while loop does. You see a colon here. So in this case, all I'm doing is printing the variable n. So it prints 5. Then it goes, n is made to be 1 lesser, so n equal to n minus 1. The n becomes 4. It goes back to the loop. It checks if 4 is greater than 0, which is true. So it still prints 4, 3, 2, 1. Once it hits 0, it comes out of the while loop. So simple thing you can see on the right hand side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's the value of n, which is printed out from line 6. The next one is a for loop. So you basically, the syntax goes like this. So for something in range, say 5. So basically I give a number. So the value of this variable is taken from 0 to 1 less than this number. So I am getting printed out from 0 to 4, as you can see at the bottom. Let me run this again. So you see this all output 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Basically, the while loop goes down till this condition is met. When it fails, it comes out. So once n becomes 0, it comes out. And the for loop is an example of the variable taking from 0 to range minus 1. So it prints 0 to 4. Okay, simple example, guys. While loop, for loop, of course, there are a lot of variants to this, but this just gives you a little bit of the ease with which you can do this in Python. So the loop, the colon, and all these statements that are part of the loop are indented, as you can see. Okay, hopefully help, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it if you like, and if you want to subscribe, we appreciate that. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.